Hello students, in this video we'll continue arithmetic progression and we learn about how to add n terms of an arithmetic progression. So let us consider the arithmetic progression as follows: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so let Sn denotes this sum to n terms. Okay, so what we can basically write, we can write Sn is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so this is nothing but n of a plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1 of d. Okay, so this is simply, we can write na plus, this is n minus 1 n by 2 d. So if I take n by 2 common, then this will be Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d. So this is the formula for summation of n terms of AP. Now if we extend this formula, so this is, I can write this one like this: a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, now this is nothing but n by 2 of a plus n. So we can see that sum to Sn is nothing but first term plus an means nth term, that means last term, into n by 2. So we can simply write this one. This is number of term by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, so this is your Sn. So this is how you find the sum of n terms of AP. So if I have some AP, suppose we can take AP as follows: let a is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 1, then what is your S10 if I want to know? So S10 is basically 10 by 2 into twice of a plus 10 minus 1, that is n minus 1 to d. So it is very clear that this will be 5, this will be 2 into 3 plus 9 into minus 1. So this is 5 to 6 minus 9 So that is 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15 is the sum of 10 terms, first 10 terms of AP, whose first term is 3 and common difference is minus 1. Now if we have some AP that we know something about it, suppose we know its first term and the last term. So we have, let A is equal to 2 and A20 is equal to minus 112. Then what is S20? Okay, your first term is 2, last term is 1 minus 102. And what is S20? So it is very clear from the formula that this is nothing but 20 by 2 into A plus A20. Okay, so it is very much clear from the formula. So you can write 10 into 2 minus 112, that is 10 into minus 110. So this is nothing but minus 110. So this is the solution. So this is how you can find sum of the n terms of AP using both the formulas. So I hope you have understood how to use the sum of n terms of AP. The formula, you know how to use the formula. Okay, for this video, for this much it is okay. In the next video, we will continue with some more problems of arithmetic progression. Bye.